here I have my latest purchase. Parkside 24 litre compressor. It's a PKO24B2, up to 10 bar, 24 litre, like I said, 3 metre of cable, 5 meters of hose with the Euro fittings, 2 outlets. It's supposed to be vibration reducing and low noise, but we'll see about that. Some assembly will be required, like putting the wheels on it, the air filter, and filling the little motor with oil. If I get open here to see what's in the box, got 5 meters of hose, like I said, little bottle of motor oil there for the motor, obviously, the wheels with fitting bolts, the wee caps or whatever, air filter, air filter and oil bung, instruction manual, which if you know me and watch my channel you know I won't read. And there she is, the main event herself. Now I have to say, she looks quite impressive. This only cost me $109.99, and I have to say, I like the paint finish. I like, just out of the box, I just like how she looks. She seems well enough put together. The tank's not very heavy, which it's okay. It has a drainer on, which you do need. You do need to drain your tanks out there if you have a compressor. The main qualm I have with this one is they never sent a tire inflator or a blowgun or any sort of air kit. They just sent the hose. So you're going to have to buy your own accessories, which I duly did. We'll start off by fitting the air filter. So you get this out. Just screw that on there. In a clockwise motion until it's sort of tight. Try and have that pointing down so no debris falls onto it. The next step's putting the oil onto here and here, and then fitting the little bung to the top. There's an oil level down here which shows you when it's full. There's a little red dot in the middle, so it has to be up to that level. Usually you could just remove the little bung with a pair of pliers like that. Just pull it straight out. I'm pouring down slowly with this little funnel, but it's taking a bit of time because the hole's very small. It's only draining very slowly into it. That's her nicely up to the level now. She's just up to the red dot there at my thumb. And you just push that little bung in. It's just a couple of rubber O-rings. You just push in past them to hold them in place there. A little bit of oil in those O-rings wouldn't do any harm. That again. There we are. Slide her in there. That's all you need from that. The wheels seem to be very easy to install. It's just a bolt with a star head on it. Goes through that like an axle. The thread's actually into that. The thread's actually into the body there. We get a screwdriver here. And do the same on the other side. When you have the wheels on, there's these little rubber feet for this part, and again they just thread in. There's a wee spot welded on nut there to hold it in place. You just screw it on and tighten it up with a spanner or a socket. And there's two of those. I don't know if you can see that, look. That's a better shot. Screw them in there. So I'll get these screwed up. Right, that's it fully assembled now. It looks pretty decent, to be quite honest. So I'll just plug her in, get the tank filled and see what we can do then. That's a tank full now, and that didn't take a long time at all. Next thing is to put this 5 meter hose that gets applied onto it, and it's got the Euro ends on it. That's it now. You can unfurl it. Now, like I say, Parkside in their wisdom didn't supply any attachments with this, which for a DIY brand I think is almost unforgivable. But being the resourceful guy I am, I was able to pick up ones cheaply elsewhere. I picked up this 3-piece set, another hose, and a blowgun, which should be my most common used item, and a tire inflator, which is always useful. So I have 2 pipes, the 2 machines that I'll be using. And if I can find the link that I bought that on Amazon, I'll put it in the description and put it in the comment section. I have the finished article, the Parkside compressor, filled with air, with all the hoses and attachments and everything done with her. I'm quite impressed with this little machine. The price was only $109.99, I think it was, available at Lidl. I had to buy one of these pipes and both attachments, but besides that, besides it not being as ready to go as a DIY brand should be, perfect for me. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.